Bonjour, une fois de plus, bienvenue à notre leçon d'aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, nous voulons étudier nous voulons parler de la conjugaison et surtout les verbes auxiliaires. Verbe auxiliaire avoir, parce que nous avons des auxiliaires. Auxiliaire avoir, mais aussi auxiliaire être. Ceux qui n'ont pas été avec nous la fois passée, je m'appelle Nestor, je suis votre enseignant de français. Welcome one more time. My name is Nestor. For those who are not with us last time, yeah, your teacher of French is called Nestor. Yeah, and today we are going to learn about verb. And when we learn verbs, of course, you know that we have two auxiliary two verbs that are called auxiliary verbs. To have, but also to be. And today we are going to learn verb avoir. Avoir means to have. Verb to have. Saying I have, you have. How do you say so in French? Every time I tell you that French is easy, just keep learning and repeating. Yeah, French is easy, especially to us Swahili speakers. Yeah, le verbe avoir, that means verb to have. It's one of the auxiliary verbs in French. I was saying that we have auxiliary to have, but also to be. Verbe auxiliaire avoir, verbe auxiliaire être. Aujourd'hui, nous étudions le verbe avoir. Today, we are learning verb to be, to have. Sorry. If you were to say, I have, you don't complicate. You just say, j'ai. You can repeat after me. J'ai. Just j'ai. How is it written? It's like this. I have. You just say, j'ai. That means I have. I have. Just say j'ai. I have. Like now, saying I have an apple. You just say, last time we learned about feminine and masculine and feminine gender or genre. Saying I have an apple, you just say j'ai une pomme. Like j'ai une pomme. J'ai une pomme. J'ai une pomme. To mean what? I have in is an apple. I have an apple. J'ai une pomme. I have an apple. Or if you have. Una. I don't have, but you have. Saying you have, you don't also complicate. You just say what? You just say tu as. Just say tu as. Tu as. Tu as. Tu as. Yeah, like that. Just like that. Tu as. To mean una or you have. You have. Now, if I were to say I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a pen. How do you say? A pen is called un stylo. Un stylo. I just say you have a pen. Tu as un stylo. Tu as, example, il dit, yeah, tu as un stylo. Un stylo. Tu as un stylo. Tu as un stylo means what? You have. You have what? A pen. You have a pen. Tu as un stylo. Tu as. Just say tu as. You have. J'ai. I have. J'ai une pomme. I have an apple. Tu as, you have. Tu as un stylo. Tu as un stylo. You have a pen. Saying he or she has. How do you say in French? Very easy. You don't complicate. Just say il a. Il a. Il a. For he, you just say il. Il means he. For she, you just say elle. Elle means she. Yeah. Il a. Just say il a or elle a. Elle a. Il a. Just say il a. Elle a. Just say elle a. That means what? It means he, il. She, elle, has. Has. He has, she has. Il a, elle a. Yeah. You just say il a or elle a. Now saying we have. We have. We have. You just say nous avons. Nous avons. Just say nous avons. To me, yeah. You just say what? You just say nous avons. Nous, then avons. Now we have an S here and a vowel here. You just do nous avons. Nous avons. Nous avons. To mean what? We have. We have. What about you many? The plural of this. You have. Ukiwa peke yako. But this one, vous, mkiwa wengi. More than one. The plural of this. You people have. Vous avez. Vous avez. Just say vous avez. You people have. Il. This il is the plural now of this. He. This L with an S is the plural of this. This L. In English, you just say they have. They have. In French, you say ils ont. Ils ont, male, and elles ont for feminine. So you, as the verb avoir or verb avoir, just say j'ai. Now let's read together. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Let's read one more time together. Read after me. J'ai. Good. Tu as. Good. Il a. Good. Elle a. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Good job. For the last time. J'ai. I have. Good. Tu as. You have. Good. Il a. He has. Elle a. She has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. You people have. Ils ont. They have. Male. Elles ont. They have. For female. Good. Now I want to give you now homework. I give you some words, and then you, after the verb to have, after the verb, you add that word that I want to give you here. Yeah. Devoir à la maison, we have here in crée. In crée. In crée means what? A chalk. In crée means a chalk. So if you wish to say I have a chalk, of course you say I have, then you add what? A chalk. This means you just say j'ai and then in crée. J'ai in crée. Just say j'ai in crée. Let me add you some other words. Yeah. We have un crayon. Un crayon. Un crayon. What is un crayon? Un crayon is a pencil. A pencil is called in French un crayon. How do you call a textbook? You just say, if you have a textbook, you just say un livre. Un livre. Un livre is a textbook. A textbook. A textbook is called un livre. How do you say now, I have or you have a textbook? We have a father. Un père. Un père means what? A father. A father. A father is called un père. Yeah. Une sœur. Une sœur means a sister. Une sœur means a sister. Un œuf. Un œuf. Un œuf. Un œuf. Un œuf. What is un œuf? Un œuf is egg. Mayai. Egg. Un œuf. This means what? Eggs. For eggs, the plural of un œuf, you don't say des œufs. You just say now des œufs. Say des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. E. Don't pronounce the S. Just say des œufs. That means what? Eggs. Good. The last one, une pastèque. Une pastèque. Une pastèque. What is une pastèque? A watermelon. A watermelon. A what? Watermelon. Melon. A watermelon is called une pastèque. Une pastèque. Use this words with the verb avoir. Saying j'ai, tu as, you choose a word there. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Et c'est la fin maintenant de notre leçon pour aujourd'hui. Prochainement, nous allons maintenant étudier le verbe avoir, qui est aussi un verbe auxiliaire. L'auxiliaire être, le présent du verbe être. It's the end of our lesson today. Next time, we are going to learn about auxiliary to have, to be. We have learned to have in the present tense. This is how to say the verb to have. Now, next time, we are going to learn about the verb to be, saying I am so and so. Yeah, thank you. Make sure you subscribe. I am reminding again you, subscribe to our channel so that you can get more lessons as we learn easily French. Yeah, thank you. My name is Nestor, Teacher Nestor. Yeah, remember that. Good.